Hi everyone, Kai here from Cinefly. So I want to give you another sneak peek at our multilingual feature that we're rolling out in October. So I'm using the portal this time. I want to create a storyboard in Japanese. So I'm going to put some copy in here. So I'd like a storyboard for my Japanese visitors to create a cool video postcard of their trip to my boat tours. So I've got a fictional company called Kai's Boat Tours, and I want to create a storyboard that they can access that's in their language so that they can create a really cool video of their visit to my fictional boat company. So again, I'm not going to brainstorm. I'm just going to say, can you please create this storyboard in Japanese, and go bang. And it'll come back to me ideally in Japanese. I just go Muse, go. All right, so there's the storyboard all in Japanese. So that's the example. So the other thing I'll show you as well, going back here, let's go. What I can also do is, what Cinefly Muse will also accept is, I think about 240 languages. So pretty much every language. So it's multilingual. It'll be multilingual straight out of the box when we launch this in October. So the communication is there. So there you go. I'm going to reset that. The other thing that you can do is, if you're a tourism business and you want to have a Japanese tour guide, so you want to create some videos in Japanese or videos in Chinese, you can also design a storyboard in any language, and then when you generate the video, it will also generate the AI video in that language. So you've got the ability not only to transform your visitors into amazing storytellers to promote your business, but what you can also do is create tour videos, introductory videos, welcome videos in pretty much any language around the world, and it's really simple to do. So that's what I wanted to show you. Hope you like it. As I said, we'll show you more and more of these demos as we get closer to launch. Thank you.